Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. I'm Dounis from Positive Thinking Clinic.
And I'm Kaelyn Dounis from Strategic Mindset and Wellness Clinic. We love having you with us every single week as we talk about challenges kids and teens face and simple strategies that really help.
Today's episode is called Decisions, Decisions. We're going to talk about how to make choices that you can trust, from small everyday decisions like what snack to eat to bigger ones like which friends to hang out with. Decision making can feel stressful, especially if you're worried about making the wrong choice. Some kids get stuck overthinking, while others make super quick decisions and regret them later.
I've definitely felt both of these. Like sometimes I'll stare at a menu forever, not knowing what to pick, and other times I'll just say yes to something without thinking it through, and then I wish I hadn't.
That's such a perfect example, Kaelyn. The truth is, no one makes perfect decisions all the time, but you can learn ways to make choices that feel right for you. So let's look at some tools to help with decision making. Number one, stop, think, and choose. Before deciding, pause for a moment, think about your options, then choose the one that feels best. Number two, ask, what happens next? So imagine what might happen after each choice. If one option leads to more stress or problems, maybe it's not the best. And number three, small first, big later. So practice making small decisions like which game to play or which fruit to eat. This builds confidence for bigger choices later. And then lastly, number four, listen to your gut. Sometimes your body gives you clues, like a heavy feeling in your stomach or a calm feeling in your chest. Pay attention to those signals.
I really like the what happens next one because it helps me think about the future, not what feels good right now. Like if I choose to scroll on my phone instead of doing homework, yeah, it feels good in the moment, but I know I'll feel stressed later because I hadn't completed my homework.
That's exactly it. Decisions shape how we feel, not just in the moment, but for later on as well. When you practice good decision making, you start to feel more confident and independent. You trust yourself more, and that's a huge step in growing up. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every decision teaches you something.
So here's the challenge for the week. Practice the stop, think, and choose method with one decision each day, just say for a week.
It could be something small, like what to eat for lunch or whether to start homework before or after dinner. Notice how it feels when you give yourself that pause. So that's it for today. This was episode number 3.
Thank you for listening, and remember, the more you practice those decisions, the more that you'll trust yourself.
Next time, we'll talk about friendship power, how to build stronger and kinder connections. See you later.
Bye.